Welcome. In this video we're going to create a gauge. As usual, we're going to need a view that can be ran before we begin. Once the view is ran, click on Gauges under the Graphical section. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a gauge that shows the actual total freight to the goal of 75,000. I'm first going to set the title properties. My title will be Freight Gauge, and I'm going to set Show Total to True. When selecting the value for the gauge, please note that only columns that are of the correct data type will be available. If the desired column is not available, click on the Details page, right-click on a cell in the column that is desired to use in the gauge, and navigate down to Format Column. Then select the appropriate format for that column. Once completed, go back to the gauge and the newly formatted column should be visible. So now I'm going to set the gauge value to freight, then set the max to 75,000 with a major tick count of 4. Since the values don't fit neatly into the gauge, I'm also going to use a smaller font size. Once the gauge is set up, you can also change the type of gauge to fit your needs. For additional information on creating a gauge, check the links in the description.